day. I hope so na day fine. In today's video, I want to show now how I take make this wig. I use the expression multi to make am. So I'll cut the hair into two. I'll separate the hair now. I'll start to the crochet and I'll crochet wig. So I'll put the hair like that. I will close and drag the hair come out. You feel tie how many times you like, but I'll go open and I'll tie once. Make I take and secure the hair. So now the same thing I want to do so. I go closer. I'll softly drag the hair come out before I'll tie am. So this one now 3 times. So I go still open and now. This one take tie the hair like that. I will continue the same thing. So this one I still open now. I go tie am. I go start another one. I'll close her now. I'll drag the hair out. So I go tie her 2 times. I will still open her like that. This is to secure the hair. So I don't almost reach front now. My lovely people, how una dey? I hope so una dey fine. I appreciate all una support. Una take dey subscribe to my channel, they help me dey share my video. I appreciate all of una. So I go continue the same thing now. So I'll take one and go reach front of the hair. The front side, I crochet the hair come front. So I go do around like that. I continue the same thing for front. So as I crochet the hair finish, I'll trim around. Now the final look of the style might be this. I also not like the hair, my people. I bet before you go, make you subscribe. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.